Okay, so this is my second example for our topic, geometric applications of the definite integral under the subtopic about area under curve. It says, find the area bounded by the curve y equals to 4 minus x squared and the x-axis. So dito sa ating second example, hindi given yung interval of x nung area na kukunin natin, but given yung boundaries niya. Boundaries niya yung curve at saka yung x-axis. Okay? So, hindi ka agad-agad natin pwede magamit yung formula natin in finding area under the curve as the integral of y dx from a to b. Kasi hindi pa natin alam yung interval. But before that, alamin muna natin yung graph of the function y equals 4 minus x squared. Okay? That is a second degree equation, so therefore, conic section siya. At yung ating y, first degree, second degree yung x variable natin. So, this is a parabola. Okay? So, alamin muna natin yung kanyang vertex. So, ilagay natin sa standard form. Ang standard form niya ay y equals 4 minus x squared. Lipat sa x squared. So, we have x squared. 4 minus y. We have x minus 0 squared. Factor out sa negative sign, y minus 4. So, therefore, ang vertex ng ating parabola is located at 0, 4. Okay? So, ito ay parabola with vertex at 0, 4, 0, 4 opens downward. Okay? So, i-graph natin siya. Ating x0. Ito yung ating x-axis. Ito yung ating y-axis. So, 0, 4 ang kanyang vertex. Sabihin natin ito yung 4. Okay? Ang tanong, saan siya tatama sa x-axis? Kasi kasama sa boundary yung ating x-axis. So, alamin muna natin yung x-intercept. No? X-intercept naman. Paano natin makukuha yung x-intercept? We let y equal to 0. So, let y equal to 0. So, from here, we have x squared equal to 4 minus 0. Square root natin both sides. So, we have positive, negative 2. So, x-intercepts natin ay 2, 0 and negative 2, 0. So, nandito yan. Let's say this is 2. Ito yung 2, 0. Ito yung negative 2, 0. Okay? So, papaganito siya. So, ito yung area na kukunin natin. Okay. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, ang interval of x na kailangan natin is from negative 2 to positive 2. Okay? Remember, yung ating variable rectangle of altitude y, sabihin natin ito yon. Ang kanyang height ay y, ang kanyang base ay dx. Okay? So, ito ay dx, ito yung ating y. Okay? Therefore, ang area ng ating rectangle, solving for a, using our formula, integral of y dx from negative 2 to 2. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Solution natin, we have a, lagay muna natin yung formula. Okay? Formula natin ay a integral of y dx from a to b. Substitute natin yung mga values natin. We have from negative 2 to 2. Y is that function. We have 4 minus x squared dx. Then integrate natin. We have 4x here minus x cubed over 3. Using the fundamental theorem of calculus, that is from negative 2 to 2. Then substitute natin. We have a equal to, ito muna, 4 times 2, that is 4 times 2 is 8. Minus 2 cubed over 3 minus, tanggalin ko to, Ito naman sa baba, we have 4 times negative 2 minus negative 2 cube over 3. Okay? 8 minus 8 thirds minus negative 8 plus 8 thirds. So we have A equal to, that is 8 minus 8 thirds plus 8, tama, plus minus 8 thirds. So ang area natin, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 minus 16 over 3. That is 48 minus 16. 3 times 16 is 48 minus 16 is 32. 32 over 3 square units. Okay, so yun ang ating area bounded by the curve and the x-axis. Explain ko ulit ha. Ito yung curve, ito yung x-axis from negative 2 to 2. Yun yung boundary na tinutukoy na area na kukunin natin. Okay? Okay, solving for A. Yes, kaso iba yung gagawin ko. Solving for A. So, yung ating parabola kasi ay symmetric. Yung left and right areas ng ating parabola equal yan because of the axis of symmetry na along y-axis. So, therefore, if we're going to get the area of this part, no, equal din yung sa area nitong nasa right part ng ating axis of symmetry. So, ibig sabihin, pag kinuha kong area nito, times 2 ko lang, yun ang total area natin. Okay? So, from negative 2 to 0 naman. So, A integral of y dx from A to B. Yun yung formula natin. So, ang gagawin ko, kukunin ko lang yung area ng kalahati. Okay? That is from negative 2 to 0. Yun ang interval. So, times 2. Okay? Times 2. And then, ang y natin, 4 minus x squared dx. Then, integrate natin. We have a equals to, again, 4x minus x cubed over 3 from negative 2 to 0. So, substitute natin yung 0 muna, then negative 2. Kasi ito yung upper limit natin. Therefore, a equal to 4 times 0 is 0. X cubed to the 0 is 0. Minus, baba naman, negative 2. 4 times negative 2 minus negative 2 over 3. Again, this is times 2. So, nalimutan ko dito, times 2. Okay? So, we have 2 times 0 minus negative 8 plus 8 thirds. Okay? So, we have 2. This will become positive. So, alam mo natin. Positive, negative. So, 8 minus 8 thirds. So, this is 24 minus 8 is 16. So, 2 times 16 over 3. So, we have 32 over 3. So, parehas ang ating sagot. Pwede rin naman, try nyo to. Area equal to 4 minus x squared dx from 0 to 2. Okay? Times 2, from 0 to 2. At mapapansin nyo, ganun din ang lalabas na sagot. Or pwede naman nating gamitin ay vertical element naman in finding the area bounded by the curve and the y-axis. Yung kanina, yung ginawa ko is I used the vertical element to denote for the area of variable rectangle with altitude of y and base x. At yung ating area na ginamit natin is the area of that rectangle is dA equal to y dx. So, pwede namang horizontal element. Okay? Halimbawa, itong gagamitin ko. Ito naman yung differential y. At ito naman yung ating x. So, ang area of this rectangle, ito lang kukunin natin, half. Okay? So, we have area of that rectangle is integral of, area ng rectangle na yan is dA x dy. Okay? And the total area bounded is itong half lang, itong half na yan is dA x dy. Okay? That is from C to D. Ano yung C to D? Ito naman yung mga interval of Y. Okay? C to D. Dito, ang C natin is from 0 to 4. Okay? Pag binaliktad mo yung axis, Y interval naman ng ating dy. Ito yung 0 papunta kay 4. Okay? Ito yung C, ito yung D. Yung 4. Okay? Now, paano natin makukuha? Ayun, kamali ako doon. Paano natin makukuha ang area niyan? Ganun din yung procedure natin. We have, since dalawa, yung symmetric naman siya at ang topic natin area under a curve, so hindi natin pwedeng gamitin ng isang deratyuhan. Okay? Other half lang. Okay? Pag ito ang gagawin nating method, ganito ang solution. Area equals integral of, ang C natin ay 0 to 4. X. Ang X natin is, from this one, we have x squared equals 4 minus y. Square root both sides, we have x equal to square root of 4 minus y. Okay? That's square root of 4 minus y dy. Yung other half lang kinukuha natin, so i-times 2 natin. Okay? Integral of, yung substitution tayo. Let u equals to 4 minus y. Ang du natin, negative dy. So, we have negative du equal to dy. So, we have integral of 0 to 4 u to the 1 half times negative du. So, ilagay ko na dito yung negative. Okay? Integral natin, we have negative 2 u to the 3 halves over 3 halves. And what else? From 0 to 4. Okay? And then, 2/3 magiging negative 4/3. Ang u natin ay square root of 4 minus y. Sorry. Ang u natin ay 4 minus y. So, 4 minus y to the 3 halves. This is 3 halves times negative 2 is negative 4/3. That is from 0 to 4. Substitute natin yung 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So, wala na isa. Okay? So, matitira yung negative 4/3. We have 0 na isa. Minus, if y is 0, so that's 4 minus 0 is 4. Square root of 4, 2. So, matitira na lang 2 cube. Okay? So, negative 4/3 minus 8. Okay? So, we have 32 over 3. So, mapapansin nyo, we got the same answer. Okay? So, I'm not requiring you to solve this kind of problem in 3 ways. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung possible different solutions, for example, number 2. Yung first solution, ay okay na yon. And second solution, pwede rin. There is no need to solve this kind of problem using this solution. Okay, so I'm going to give you my third example on my next video. Thank you.